everyone, welcome back to another amazing trip report, and today we're heading to Singapore. We're heading to Terminal 2, which is the international terminal at Tasmania International Airport, and checking in for another flight heading to Changi Airport. And this time, we're flying with Singapore Airlines in business class. Security and passport control is done, and there's a business class counter, so we're heading to the Les Saigonese Lounge for our morning snack or drinks before flying, and we can see the beautiful apron view in the morning as well, along with other jets departing as well. And the lounge is quite nicely designed with plenty of spacing and lighting as well. There are some food options in the lounge as well. Also, there's an office space for anyone using computers and printers. The buffet is kind of nice. It has some plenty of hot food and noodle options, and also I prefer to get some desserts as well. This beautiful EVA Air 777 as well. The bathroom is really nice and clean, and of course it comes with a shower as well for anyone who wants to use it as well. Also, the design of the bathroom looks pretty nice, and I do like the shower if you really stayed for a really long duration at the airport. Our aircraft has came in from Singapore as SQ-178 and ready to be turned around for flight 177 back to its home base of Changi Airport. As we get into the gate, we spotted our ride, which is today as Niner Victor Sierra Hotel Whiskey, operating us for today as SQ-177. This aircraft is a 2022 built Airbus A350 with a serial number of 485. This aircraft is quite new. It has a regional configuration with both business class and economy class. Seat today is 17A, which we can walk down to here. These seats are staggered seats, which is one face the aisle, one face the window. Welcome aboard my chair, and I'll show you the tour around. The seat does have many comfortable features, like large in-flight entertainment screen. We have a nice little lamp. Nice view outside of the aircraft, which is pretty nice as well. Of course, the window's not usable, which is not surprising for this airplane. And of course, we also going to be showing you guys some nice seat features. The tray table was pulled out from here, and this seat is a Stelia Symphony seat as well. So we're going to pull it out. Nice wind design of the tray table, opens like this and this. You cannot adjust it, so not sad. But then you put it back in. Then you have like a nice fluffy pillow. And of course a blanket. The footwell and legroom is no need to be questioned. There's also a remote and seat controls and headset port, headphone port. And of course inside the little cubby you have their power and USB charging and an NFC card, along with our noise cancelling headphones and the menu as well for the flight. Of course they also the light as well. Each seat has also have the giant adjustable headrest, which takes a little bit of a workout. Also some mini lights as well to use inside of the seat. So it is a pretty nice business class seat as well. Here are the seat pocket contents. We have a Chris Shop magazine for duty free, in-flight Wi-Fi safety card, and of course an air sickness bag. So come along with everyone. Singapore Airlines uses the Tiles Advent system for their cruise world experience, and also it comes with hundreds and thousands of movies, really good to choose for the entire flight. Fortunately, I'm not going to be watching all of those. So we're just going to watch a few of them for the good flight duration and, of course, enjoying the nice experience on board.
Entertainments, jeez. I'm going to watch Oppenheimer on this flight. Menu.
What is this? A beautiful menu as well. Singapore Airlines business class passengers do get a nice little menu for anyone to choose. There's the nice appetizer, main course options, and a little dessert, and also from the bakery, which is really good as well. There's also some wine and some champagne as well for the options list, which is really nice to see the menu as well. This is extremely extravagant. And of course, we serve with some orange juice to start with the pre-flight drink. And cheers for the lovely flight.
this is American.
It is my pleasure to have you on board SQ177, service from Ho Chi Minh City to Singapore. With me at the flight deck today, Senior First Officer Kelvin Chan, and the cabin going flight managers Mr. Anthony Liu. He and his team of cabin crew will be doing their best to make your flight a safe and comfortable one. Flight time to Singapore takes us 1 hour and 40 minutes. Weather-wise, some bumps during the initial climb. Then after mainly clear weather en route with occasional turbulence, forecast of rain shower for arrival in Singapore. For safety, please observe the seatbelt signs. Recommend to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. I will come back to you again just before arrival. In the meanwhile, please sit back, relax, and once again, thank you for Singapore Airlines.
Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. As the safety equipment on this aircraft may differ from that on other aircraft, please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore. During takeoff and landing, ensure that your tray table is stowed away.
Cabin crew up all doors and cross-checked.
And keep your shoes on. Before we take off, stow your luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartments. Make sure that your seat belt is securely fastened during taxi, takeoff, and landing. To fasten, bring the two ends of the seat belt together until you hear a click. Tighten it by pulling on the strap. If you're in business class, pull the shoulder strap to fasten your seat belt. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. We recommend keeping your seat belt fastened throughout the flight. Whenever the seat belt sign is turned on, infants should be lifted from the bassinet and secured with an infant seat belt. If there is a change in cabin pressure, an oxygen mask will automatically drop in front of you. Pull the mask down sharply. Place it over your mouth and nose. Pull the lateral straps to tighten it and breathe as usual. Secure your mask first before helping others. It is normal for the bag to not fully inflate. There are several emergency exits in this aircraft. Take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit, which may be behind you. Count the rows of seats to the closest exit in front and behind you. In the unlikely event of an emergency, or when you hear the command, brace, brace, assume the brace position. If you can reach the seat in front of you, lower your head and place it on the back of the front seat. Place your hands on top of your head. Keep your feet flat on the floor and heels towards your seat. If you can't reach the seat in front of you, lower your head and lean forward as far as you can. Place your hands on top of your head. If you're in business class, assume the brace position by lowering your head and placing your hands on your lap. In an emergency evacuation, floor-level lighting will lead you to your nearest exit. Before using an evacuation slide, remove any high-heeled shoes and be sure to leave everything behind. To put on your life vest, remove it from the plastic cover and slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist, connect the clip, and pull to tighten. Inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs or blowing into the mouthpiece. Life vests have a whistle and a light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children. Inflate your life vest only at the exit door and step into the route.
We also deployed a jury table to start up our lunch service for today's flight. Of course, the lunch started with a nice tray of these sorts. We have the salad and nice little cake. I had chosen white wine to start the day, and of course it is New Zealand white wine because I don't know they have any Australian ones, but I do like it. The main course today is beef noodles. This is one they had. Unfortunately, the fish entree wasn't there, but it does have the nice beef noodles with veggies and nice sauce. Overall, the presentation looks really amazing. They're using fine plating as well, which is really nice. The journey comes close to an end, and of course the flight comes close to an end as well. I want to say here's the experiences and the overall review of Singapore Airlines' business class on the Airbus A350. Let's start out with the check-in process. The check-in was smooth and was really quick. I do like it as well. Although today we carried a lot of people. We're flying with my family, so it's going to be a lot of people traveling, so it's nothing new. Security is nothing new as well. We do have a business class section for everyone to use, and of course it is really nice. And I do like it as well. The lounge, the Les Secondaires lounge, is quite on the good side as well. The food is a little better than the Vietnam Airlines ones, but unfortunately, I'm not a huge fan of eating food in the lounge. And of course, I might just really just trying to get it sorted out and relax as well. Now, let's talk about the onboard. The aircraft has some pretty good stuff. Let's start with the first one is the seating. The seat is really good. Has all the really good bells and whistles. Even just close on the long haul business class, this thing beats it really well. Another thing is that the amenities provided were really nice for a short haul flight. And let's start with the crew. The crew is really fantastic. This is probably one of the top tier flights I've been reviewing, and I've never seen this kind of like this epic level of dedication to service like this. This is some pretty next level stuff for Singapore Airlines. And of course the meal, it was really delicious. I really like the food. The presentation of the food is really nice. We also come with the metal cutlery as well to make it even better. And yeah, it was a really amazing flight. And all the overall service on board is just really outstanding, like just in the premium level of outstanding. And of course, to make it all up, the rounding score for the entire flight, I'm going to give it a solid 10 out of 10 because, you know, the service is so good. It's starting to really get into me as well as a really solid flight. And of course, I did mention that I went into the A350 flight deck. I couldn't take a photo due to aircraft regulations in Singapore, so I understand that this could happen. But overall, it was an amazing chat with the captain, and yeah, it was a really solid flight. Thank you guys, and also huge thank you for the Singapore Airlines crew for letting me view into the flight deck as well. It was a really amazing experience.
the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
Staying at Marina Bay Sands, if you guys don't, you already know what it is. It's complimentary shit. There's complimentary stuff. What's this? Juice, soft drinks, energy drinks. Nope. Yeah, there's a lot of things. Sweets. This is complimentary. I hope they don't charge me for this. Come on. I wouldn't. There's tea. Bro, they got a fucking bag of Irwins. Damn, they got a refrigerating unit down here. But not today. I'm not taking any fucking drinks in there. There's nothing much in here. There's no drawers. But, got a nice thing in here. Door. Peephole. Yeah, that's a fucking now fun. I came in because I got back. It's my room. Shared along with my fucking cousins. Surprise, surprise. Nothing new. So, let's get you a tour inside the bathroom. You see this? This is the bathroom. Good quality stuff. Now I can use this here for mainly phone recording purposes. Want to make a trip report because I need to make a room for voiceovers. This is the toilet. I have no idea why does it look so advanced. Can anyone please search up what it is? What kind of toilet is it? I think this thing is like more than $30,000 to $10,000 toilet or something. Bathtub, shower. I'm a man of shower. Mirror, bigger mirror, and a feet mirror down here. Yeah, so that's it. That's the bar of my hotel room. So, thanks for watching. See you next one.
Hope you guys like the new trip report. I know I've been a little bit on the busy side, but thank you guys for watching today's trip report. Hope you do have fun. Like if you liked the video, and of course, subscribe for the channel for more. See you guys in the next one. Bye.